Coconut oil is considered a superfood, which means it is a highly nutritious oil with lots of healthy benefits. In this video, I'll be discussing some of these health benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is an edible oil. Okay, you eat coconut and the oil is inside the coconut. So if you eat coconuts regularly, you are as well consuming the oil in the coconut. Coconut oil is very useful, very good for cooking. You can use it to cook and you can use it to bake. I use coconut oil in making my granola. Okay, granola is baked oat, and my son says it's the best granola he's tasted. Alright, so I use coconut oil to bake. You can use coconut oil for your popcorns rather than butter, and tell me what you think when you do that. If you make popcorn regularly, try coconut oil in that popcorn and see. The extraction method of coconut oil, for mine extraction method, I don't use any chemical. It's 100% coconut oil, nothing added. No added chemical and no added perfume. But if you smell the coconut oil, especially the hot pressed coconut oil, the smell is wonderful. The smell is wonderful. So it's a beautiful oil, true and true. So when you consume coconut oil, there are numerous benefits to the body. One, it boosts the immune system. How does it do that? This coconut oil contains lots of antimicrobial lipids, antimicrobial oils. Okay, so these oils such as lauric acid, capric acid and cupric acid have antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral purposes. So when you consume coconut oil in whatever form and it's inside of your system, you get this overall immune boost. For people whose immunity are down, they can use coconut oil, like take a teaspoon of coconut oil daily. Pay attention to the changes in the body. You can document it for someone to know how effective something is. Take note when you commence a certain drug use, when you commence a certain, try to make a journal. Okay, so day 1, day 2, you know, and see your overall feeling. Okay, you may, apart from that, you could also write out other things that you're consuming alongside, so that the credit may not be only to the coconut oil ingestion, but then you'll be able to track. Okay, so I stopped the coconut oil usage this time. I started it here. This is how I felt. So it's important that we keep track of this. Coconut oil is a very good oil for boosting memory. It's because the medium chain triglycerides or MCTs in coconut oil provide the brain with easily accessible energy, right? So it takes up the energy very fast, and so they're able to provide the necessary fuel for the brain cells. So they're great immune booster. So it's not just a oil for the skin, so it works both externally and internally. It's a very beautiful oil. I don't use it to cook often, like cook stew and all of that, because you need quite a good quantity. In Africa or in Nigeria here, we're used to plenty oil. So before you can get enough oil to cook, I mean, you have to spend some money for regular usage. And then we shouldn't consume too much oil anyway, especially fried foods. But I know we can always manage on that. Coconut oil boosts digestion. Coconut oil helps the body to absorb the fat-soluble vitamins such as calcium and magnesium, and this can help to prevent numerous stomach troubles. So coconut oil contains fatty acids and protein, which hold antioxidants, supplying lots of benefits to the body. Coconut oil contains fatty acids But there are lots of medium chain fatty acids in coconut oil, not the long chain fatty acids. These medium chain fatty acids consist mainly of caprylic, lauric, and capric acids. Going scientific, anyway, that is just scientific information. But what we do know is that these medium chain fatty acids are very beneficial to the body. So what makes these medium chain fatty acids very beneficial? Because they're easily digestible, okay, easily digestible, and since they're processed in the liver, they are quickly converted to energy and not stored as fat in the body. So if somebody is looking to also lose weight or maintain weight, you want to use coconut oil. Okay, so we don't have, olive oil is the equivalent of coconut oil for the Western world. They have olives, and from olives they're able to make olive oil readily. It's easier to access it, the original olive oil in their countries. So the equivalent of olive oil in Nigeria or in Africa is coconut oil. The MCFAs in olive oil and coconut oil are similar. So they're easily digestible and they don't store as fat. They're converted to energy. They increase your metabolism and you're able to, to sweat it out, burn fat, burn the calories inside of your body. Good cholesterol. Coconut oil contains the good cholesterol or the HDL, so they help with the high blood pressure. They help to stop heart diseases and also to lower the high blood pressure. Have it at home and see the benefit. And if you do take it, if you do consume it, maybe you take it as a teaspoon or you use it to cook, and you think you have diarrhea as a result, you need to stop using it. So you just need to observe and see and check if there were other ingredients that caused that, or it was coconut oil that caused that, and then you stop using it. So it may not be everybody, but then you need to observe yourself. So diarrhea, some people may be allergic to it. People are allergic to milk. Okay, so I consume milk and there's nothing wrong with me. Some other person will consume milk and they have stomach troubles. So it's the same way with any food at all. You have to observe how your body reacts or accepts that food, accepts that ingredient into the systems, and then adjust accordingly. So it's very important to pay attention to your body. So you may ask me, Mary, what are the ways to incorporate coconut oil into my diet? So you can stir fry. A lot of us maybe don't stir fry, but we fry eggs. And eggs don't use so much oil, unlike stews and other meals. So you want to fry 2-3 eggs. Few drops of coconut oil in your pan at low heat will be a good option, healthy option. You can substitute coconut oil in your baking recipe. For me, I use coconut oil in making my granola, right? So granola is baked oats, so I use coconut oil, and the taste is wonderful. So I use coconut oil in my granola. So that's one way I consume coconut oil. Then you can also add it to your tea, a teaspoon to your tea or to your coffee. You consume, and then as a supplement you can take a teaspoonful per day, just like every other supplement that we have, and that's the way of getting it into your body. Besides the external, remember, the external usage doesn't really get into the body. The external usage as moisturizer stays on the outside most times, so it helps to keep the skin soft, supple, youthful looking. But when you consume it inside, that's when you get the benefits of giving you the good HDL, they add to healthy fatty acids, boost your digestion, to improve your memory, and all those beautiful benefits on the inside. So Oil for the inside, oil for the outside. Coconut oil, one of my favorite things. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope it was educative. I do hope you adopt coconut oil into your regimen, in your nutrition, and I hope you leave a comment when you do see some of these benefits. Or if you have been using coconut oil like me and you can attest to some of these benefits, kindly drop a comment. I'll appreciate it, so that all this can also read your comments and learn a few things too, about coconut oil. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.